Pooja Mishra to react on that. Why be so selective and just conveniently say, when it comes to the ethos, it's 1,000 years old, then go down that path, says Ratan Sharda. Will Rahul Gandhi do that?
I think this question must be asked to Rahul Gandhi only. Will he do that or not?
But you're an ally. You've heard his statement. What are your views?
Swati, I'm answering. Let me answer. Just it's a problem with you. You don't allow me to complete my answer. And
I'm just asking you a follow-up, ma'am. I've come to you for a response. Go ahead.
Yes, I'm answering the question. We are discussing about what statement he made. Okay, and it's very fact. If BJP is saying that they can't go understand, he don't have date knowledge. BJP understand that too, that he was philosophical. When he was saying that it's 1,000-year-old, he was talking about the moral roots of our nation, the moral roots of India. When BJP talks about 1,000-year-old model, then it's fine. When Congress talks about the 1,000-year morals, the moral roots of our nation, then it's not fine. Then he should be precise with the date. He should be precise whether, okay, on the in the 6th of November, the 2019.
Why shouldn't he be precise? He's a leader of opposition, madam.
I think.
Why should you be so lenient with Rahul Gandhi? Why should he not be precise and know when the constitution was prepared and enacted? Why should he not know that? And he says, some people are saying, who are these some people who don't get their dates right? Talking about such an important thing.
Now, I want to just come in, Swati.
No, Pooja Mishra, if you can hear me, go ahead.
Yes, I can
Please
hear
respond.
you. Yes, yeah, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you. I think everyone can understand between the lines that what the Rahul Gandhi was about to is trying to say. That when we talk about the back also, then also we can understand what Guru Nanak says in the 15th, 16th century. And when we talk about the Sant Kabir also, we all know that they all oppose the casteism, and that's what our constitution discussed. Now you want him to discuss the dates. And BJP knows that too, that he wasn't there to discuss the dates, or rather he was discussing the philosophy, the moral roots behind the constitution.
Allow Shazia to come in. BJP very clearly knows what Rahul Gandhi was talking about, but you're just going after him because he got the year wrong, the dates mixed up.
But how can you get that year wrong? I mean, the least you could do is get the date of the constitution and when it was implemented and when it was completed right. That's the least coming from a leader who keeps doing rallies around Samvidhan Bachao. He has how is it even possible? And how dare he gets away with it? I mean, this is only this country which will allow a senior leader or a leader of opposition to get away with it. Why are we cutting him slack? Because he's Rajiv Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi's son? Because he's some sort of a royal prince? He can be leader of opposition, go to the parliament, be an MP and have his whole family go there and not know when the constitution was written. He has no idea about the Republic Day and Independence Day and the Samvidhan Divas. He can't tell the difference. I mean, why would you do that? He's the one who roams around with copies of constitution, reminds people that we have to be constitutional about how we think about conducting our affairs. So I don't know, why should we cut him the slack? Why should we let him be? And it's not about BJP and Congress. You should be ashamed, ma'am. You should be ashamed, ma'am. You might be from Samajwadi Party, but you should say, this is my constitution. This is the book. This is the contract with a government. This is so important to all of us. How dare anybody, BJP, Congress notwithstanding, just make up names and not even get that right?
Okay.
This is not acceptable, I'm sorry, for
Pooja
anybody.
Mishra, then Mr. Magami.
And make up stories about 1,000 years.
Respond, then Mr. Magami. Go ahead, Pooja.
Who are saying this? Respect to the constitution. Who indulge into killing the constitution again and again? When Sangeet Som says that we don't, hum kanun nahi mante, hum court kachari nahi mante, that is very fine. Then it's very fine. You don't agree with the constitution, you will do anything. And when you say इतनी बार भगवान का नाम ले लेते, our home minister, तो आप तो तर जाते, आप जो है जितनी बार जो है बाबा साहब भीमराव अम्बेडकर जी का नाम लेते हैं, then it's not disrespect. When opposition leader, the leader of opposition says that the constitution as 1,000-year-old, the philosophy of constitution, the moral roots of the constitution belongs to 1,000-year-old culture of India, then you have a problem. You don't have a problem when your leaders, when you don't feel ashamed when your leaders continuously disrespect
Okay, so then
constitution,
Pooja Mishra,
against
does the
constitution,
constitution, one second, does the constitution teach you to fight against the Indian state? Is that what the constitution preaches? Does it say fight against the Indian state? Does the constitution say that?
No, constitution doesn't say that. When he says, you also know, Swati, and even the BJP knows also, when he says fight against the state, he's talking about the government. And the
No,
constitution
once again, he was
also gives
very,
that right
once again, he
to
was very
everyone.
clear in what he
You
said.
can go
Why do you
for
expect
the
the
government,
entire
you
world
go
to be
to the
lenient
government.
towards Rahul Gandhi? He's a leader of opposition. He should be responsible for everything that he's
we
saying.
want the entire
You want to be
world to
lenient towards
understand
Rahul
what
Gandhi
he's trying to
and look
say.
for alternate
You
meanings to
can't-
what he said. You are free to go ahead. But why do you expect others to do that? आबिद मीर मकामी राहुल गांधी जो कहते हैं उसका मतलब कुछ और होता है क्या? कहना कुछ और चाहते हैं, बोल कुछ और देते हैं क्या?
राहुल गांधी जी बीजेपी को बार बार याद दिलाते हैं देश संविधान से चलेगा, नागपुर से नहीं। जब जब राहुल गांधी जी आईन पे बात करते हैं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया पे बात करते हैं, तो बीजेपी वालों को आग लगती है। और ये आग हम इनको बार बार याद दिला देंगे।
नहीं, एक मिनट।
हिंदुस्तान का आईन हम इनको बार बार याद दिला देंगे। हर टाइम याद दिला देंगे। हम इनको
नहीं, आप
भूलने
लड़िए,
नहीं देंगे।
खुल के
ये
लड़िए
देश,
बीजेपी से।
हिंदुस्तान,
आपको
ये
जो
देश
याद दिलाना है
आईन
आप
से
दिलाइए
चलेगा।
याद।
ये
थोड़ा
देश
सा टोन
constitution of
का
India से
ध्यान
चलेगा।
हमें रखना
लेकिन
चाहिए। आई थिंक वी
नागपुर से
शुड बी
चलेगा।
माइंडफुल ऑफ द टोन दैट वी आर यूजिंग मिस्टर मगामी। एंड राहुल गांधी को इतना तो पता होना चाहिए ना बेसिक कि कब इनैक्ट हुआ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, तैयार कब हुआ। उसमें वो ऐसे जेनेरिक स्टेटमेंट कैसे दे सकते हैं कि कुछ लोग ऐसा कह रहे हैं कि 1947 में हुआ था। भाई
राहुल गांधी को बिल्कुल
कौन
पता
उनको
कब हुआ
रिसर्च
है।
ये दे रहा है?
हमें किसी से क्लास लेने की जरूरत नहीं, हमें पता है कब
तो
हुआ
अपना
है।
रिसर्च खुद करना चाहिए। फिर किसी से क्लास अगर लेने की
बिल्कुल।
जरूरत नहीं तो अपना रिसर्च
बिल्कुल
खुद
भी
करना
नहीं।
चाहिए।
हम
एंड perhaps the day that is practice कि अपना रिसर्च खुद कर रहे हैं, शायद तब कहेंगे कुछ और, मतलब कुछ और होगा। ऐसा नहीं होगा, शायद उस दिन जो कहेंगे उसका मतलब वही होगा। रतन शारदा देन रवि श्रीवास्तव।
See, I challenge anybody sitting here knows that we had a democratic village in Uttar Merur in Tamil Nadu 1300 years back. Have we ever mentioned about it? Does Rahul know about that? He talks about 1000 and talking about 1300-year-old. I am not even talking Lichvi Ganarajya or Chandragupta Ganarajya when we had Ganarajya 4 BC. He doesn't know that. So he will go halfway. That's why I go full way. Secondly, she talked about Sangeet Ragi. Who is Sangeet Ragi? He doesn't belong to BJP. He doesn't belong to RSS. He's an independent professor. He can say anything. That he'll put onto BJP. You have no sense of proportion at all. And you talk of राहुल बाबा गलती कर देते हैं, बच्चे हैं, थोड़ा बहुत कभी झूठ चलने दो, गलत चलने दो। भाई साहब, कांग्रेस पार्टी ने मजाक बनाया था मोदी जी का नागपुर के अंदर आरएसएस के विजिटर रजिस्टर के अंदर। उन्होंने ऊर्जा को छोटियों की मात्रा दी थी। किसने लिखा? उसने मोदी जी ने नहीं लिखा था। उसको बड़ा बना के ट्विटर इन्होंने डाला था। अगर ऊर्जा की स्पेलिंग पे आपको मजाक कर सकते हैं, हम आपके ईयर की बात क्यों नहीं कर सकते? और कभी कभी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं। कृपया तू मैं चिल्ला चिल्ली कम करें, तथ्य पे बात करें, नहीं तथ्य तो चुप रहे। आप
रवि
बोलिए,
श्रीवास्तव
मुझे क्या लेना?
रवि श्रीवास्तव
राहुल
जब
ने जो बोला
इमरजेंसी
तो
लागू
बोला।
हो गई थी और सबके हक अधिकार मार दिए गए थे,
आप
was that
लोग-
as per constitution?
आप लोग तारीखों में मिक्सअप करते रहिए बैठ करके।
अरे तारीख
मैं
बहुत
आपको
इंपॉर्टेंट है
सिर्फ-
सर।
नहीं, मैं आपको सिर्फ एक तारीख याद दिलाता हूं, 6 अप्रैल 2025, जब बीजेपी का नेता एमएलए एक मंदिर को जाके धोता है क्योंकि उस पर नीची जाति का व्यक्ति दर्शन करके गिरा था। ये सिखाने का दावा चाहे करने अपने संविधान से। ये कंटेंट है संविधान का। डेट इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है। आज
आप-
बीजेपी का चेहरा, चाल चरित्र चेहरा कैसे
हाँ।
उजागर हुआ है देश के सामने, वो जरूरी
देखिए,
है।
चाल चरित्र चेहरा आपको बीजेपी के लिए जो कहना है कहिए। मैंने आपसे जो सवाल पूछा कांग्रेस को लेकर के, राहुल गांधी को लेकर के, उसका जवाब आपने नहीं दिया, बट यू केप्ट शिफ्टिंग द गोल पोस्ट। शाजिया इल्मी, पूजा मिश्रा एंड जेंटलमैन, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस ऑन द ब्रॉडकास्ट फॉर द डिबेट। इट्स टाइम